This is the first part of our series, Creating Course Content in Moodle as used by Shorter University in Rome. This video training will discuss the adding of files and documents as resource materials. With the course open, you can see the outline section of your Moodle homepage, and this is the location in which you will place those documents, web links, PowerPoint files, or any information that you may wish to have available for your students. As you can see, my course is displayed and I've already selected the Turn Edit and On function so I can begin to add resources to my course. Each course has a Files section available for you to upload any documents that you want to have available in your course. It's a virtual filing cabinet is just one way of looking at it. From the Files section, you can upload any file that you believe you may need, and it will be placed in this file cabinet. Once they are uploaded, you can then add them to the outline page as needed. Or, if you wish, you can just upload files as you need them through the Add a Resource option that is available throughout the outline section. There is a file size limit of 100 megabytes, so you may want to check the file size prior to uploading if you question its size. However you choose to upload your files, they'll always be placed in this file section for the course. So let's just add some resources. First, we'll look at adding files from the Files section, and then we'll add resources from the Add a Resource option. Open the Files section, and if this is a new course, you'll probably not see any files located here, so as none have been uploaded. But for now, we're going to pretend that there's no files here, and we're going to browse and upload for a file. So we're going to choose this option here, upload a file. Then we're going to go browse for a file, and I'll just pick one. I'll pick this one. And then just come back, and you'll see that the path name is located in this field here. So now we must select the option, upload this file. Now we're back to our filing cabinet. We get the notice here that says your file was uploaded successfully, and you can see that it's listed here at the bottom. You'll just repeat these steps for as many documents as you wish to upload. Now we'll add a file from the Add a Resource option, and when you add a file with this method, you not only add the file as you need it, but you can add it in a specific week or topic. Make sure your editing option is turned on, and then choose the Add a Resource option within the week or topic area that you wish to use it. So we're going to pick down here topic number 4, or could that be week number 4? We're going to open the box that says Add a Resource. And the one we use the most frequently is link to a file or website. So you make that selection, and now Moodle is going to ask you to name the document, and I'm just going to call it Test Paper Number 1. You don't need to put anything in this summary box here. That's for your information only. The students won't see that information that's in this box, so you don't really need to put anything there. But down here in this section, link to a file or website, you'll notice a location field box, and the option to choose or upload file is listed here, and you're going to make that selection. Now your filing cabinet is going to open for you to see if the file that you wish to add for student view is already located here, and if so, you're going to just select the option Choose by that file. But we're going to pretend again that we don't see this, so we're going to say no, I don't see it, so I'm going to go find me another file. So I'm going to go browse. Let's just create a PST and Outlook document. We'll use that one as our sample. Again, we have to make the option upload this file, and you must see it in this filing section here in order to select the word choose by the file. In order, you'll be coming back here to this page, and now your file name and the document's name is listed in this location box. As you come down to the page, you have the option here of the window. Do you want that file to open in the same window as your Moodle course, or do you want it to open into a new window? So I'm going to just say new window. Just make it a little easier to navigate for the student. Then you just come down to the end of the page and hit Save and Return. You're going to see that the document you've uploaded is listed in the week or topic that you chose. So here's our document we uploaded, Test Paper Number 1. I'm going to open that and see how the dialog window opens up separately then having it done this way, you can just click the X there to close that without having to close the entire Moodle page. So that's adding any document that you wish to do. You can use, as I said, you can use PowerPoint slides or PowerPoint presentations. You can upload Word documents. You can upload PDFs. Anything that's a document file can be uploaded. If you wish to add a video as a resource, that's probably going to exceed the file size limitations, but you can create a link to a website or to a video, such as a YouTube video, or anything that has a web address. These resources will not be stored in your filing cabinet, but you create them from the Add a Resource option. So when we open up the section where we want to add that web link, we come back and again we make the same selection, link to a file or website. Again, we must give it a name, so I'm just going to say we're going to go to the website Scholar. And now when we come down to the section where we normally have went out and found our file, now we're going to select this option for Choose a Web Page. Your web browser will open to whatever default window you have. I have Google here, and in the address I'm just going to type in our shorter Scholar address for scholar.shorter.edu. So this is the page I want my students to see. Once the web address is displayed, you just highlight it and copy it. Now you can just close that, come back to your location box, and then paste it in. Again, you can choose to have it open in a different window or the same window. And then come to the bottom and save your change. When the page redisplays, you scroll down and you'll see that the web link is listed here, has a little world icon next to the name, and you just click on it and then the website opens for your students to use. Now they can just close that little dialog box without it having any effect on the Moodle page itself. You'll find that you'll use this option of linking to a file or website the most. There are other resource options available for you to use, and these will be the topic of our next video in this series of creating course content. So check our training channel, Shorter Train 30165, for additional videos.